students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, a box contains cards which are numbered from 9 to 19. If one of the card is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a prime number. So we have cards that is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. These are the numbers on the card, and we are supposed to find the probability. We are picking a card at random from this 10 cards. So we are supposed to find the probability that this card has a prime number. So prime numbers are, see here, 9 is not a prime number, 10 is not a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 14, 15, 16, 17 is a prime number, and 19 is a prime number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 card contains prime number. So probability is favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. In this case, favorable outcome is when we are getting a card with a prime number. So how many times? So this will be equals to number of times, number of cards with prime number divided by total number of cards, divided by total number of cards. So number of card which containing prime numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4 divided by total number of card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our correct answer will be 4 by 11. By 11 is our correct answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.